I'm Joe from Aqualabs. Welcome to a series where we take a look at the key ingredients that make our products work so well.
Today's product is Shogun Katana Roots. Shogun Katana is not only a brilliant cuttings and seedling solution, but has grown prize-winning crops when used throughout the grow cycle. The main ingredient is a green seaweed extract that, when processed, provides a great mix of amino acids and hormones to reduce plant stress. Other ingredients include a blend of vitamins, hormones, and amino acids, including biotin, a vitamin that encourages primary and secondary root growth, which leads to greater elongation and lateral root distribution. Biotin also allows plants to take up nutrients more effectively. The last ingredient I want to share is a healthy dose of vitamin B12, also known as thiamine. Together with amino acids and hormones, these ingredients can help maintain a hormonal balance in the plant, reducing the negative effects of stress in environments.